Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set how far back in time your calendar can sync on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings, go down and we're going to tap on calendar. After that, go down and tap on sync. By default, it is set to sync all events. Now you can choose event 2 weeks back, event 1 month back, event 3 months back, and event 6 months back. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to settings, or you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.